Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? It's Mrs. Klein. We're doing first grade math. It is Thursday, March 19th, 2020, and we're doing first grade math. We are reviewing, again, another day of review in Unit 12, which is pages 515 and 516 in your books. And the test that you're going to take is the performance task sheet and the topic assessment sheet. So if I didn't scan them to you, I will rescan them, but I think that I did. This one, front and back, and this one, front and back. So there are 8 questions on here and 4 questions on here. So this is going to be your end of Unit 12 test. 12 questions. So let's just quickly go over the review, page 515 and 516. Page 515, it says, Sally uses many different supplies at school. Which pencil is the longest? Circle that color. Which pencil is the shortest? Cross out that color. So there's a blue crayon, a blue pencil, a red pencil, and a yellow pencil. It says yellow. Let me erase this so everyone knows what we're doing. Okay, we are on page 515. And number 1 says, it says yellow, red, and blue. So it says there's a blue pencil, a red pencil, and a yellow pencil on your page. Which pencil is the longest? Circle that color. The red one is the longest. Which pencil is the shortest? Cross out that color. The blue one is the shortest. Very good. Number 2. Which object is longer, the glue stick or the eraser? So they are using crayons. Circle that object. Use the orange crayon to help you. They are using orange crayons to help you measure which one is longer, the glue stick or the eraser. So if you can see on your page 515, the glue stick is longer than the crayon, but the eraser is not. So you need to circle the one that is longer. You are going to circle the glue stick. You with me? Easy peasy. Page 516. Number 3, Sally is making a bookmark. She needs a strip of paper longer than 6 inches. Use a ruler. Could Sally use this strip of paper? So take out your ruler. I hope everybody has a ruler at home. Take out your ruler and measure in inches how long this green strip of paper is. So use a ruler. Could Sally use the strip of paper? Sally's making a bookmark. She needs a strip of paper that is longer than 6 inches long. So start at 0, find the inches side, start at 0, measure the green stick. The green stick on my ruler comes out to be a little over 2 inches long. So it is less than 6 inches long. She will not be able to use it. So it's only 2 inches long. She wants 6 inches long. So the answer is no. She cannot use it. The paper is about 5 inches long. That is shorter, not longer than 6 inches long. Okay. Number 4. Number 3, you don't really have to do the writing in the box. It's just, no, she can't use it because the stick is 5 inches and less, which is shorter than 6. So number 4, Sally uses the 2 ribbons below for her art project. So number 4, there's a part A and a part B. So on part B, you see the ribbons. Okay. Part A, which tools would you use to measure each ribbon to the nearest inch? What can you use to measure something that is not straight? The ribbon is squiggly. We cannot use a ruler. One ribbon is like this, and one ribbon is like that. They're they're not straight at all. So, number 4 on page 516, what are we going to use to measure? Part A, Sally uses the 2 ribbons below for her art project. Which tools would you use to measure each ribbon to the nearest inch? We went over this in class, if you remember. You cannot measure, what did we use besides a ruler to measure when it wasn't straight, when it was all squiggly or curved? We used a string and a ruler. You can use a string and a ruler. If you take a string and you follow it on the path, then you straighten the string out and then you measure it on your ruler. Remember we did that? We had the string all on the path, took it off, straightened it out, and then used a ruler. What else can we use? What else can we use to measure something like this? Measuring tape. You can also use measuring tape to measure something that is not straight. Very good. Part B, use string and a ruler to measure the length of each ribbon. So, if you take a piece of string, if everyone has string, and you measure the first pink ribbon, comes out to be about 3 inches. And the purple one comes out to be about 5 inches. Try it at home, make sure I'm right. Try it at home, make sure I'm right, and let me know if you agree with me. 3 inches and 5 inches. Okay, so I think you guys have the hang of measuring. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we have here, we're going to do the topic assessment and the performance task. This is going to be a test that I want to grade. So I'd like you to answer, fill in your answers on here and here. Fill in your answers on your paper. I will re-email them if you don't have them so that you can print them out and answer them. And then please drop them off at school here either tomorrow or Friday. And I will grade them and put them in your ThinkWaves grade book. This is the end of Unit 12 test. You're going to do topic assessment and performance task. The people that came in yesterday, I gave them hard copies of this. It is about 12 questions. It should be easy peasy. Try to get a string and a ruler or measuring tape out before you start. I'm hoping everyone gets 100. It looks pretty easy. Okay, so I will be expecting somehow email or dropping off a hard copy of this so I can put it in as your Unit 12 end of unit test. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll be starting on the next unit, Unit 13. Good job, everybody. See you later.